Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I am going to cover how to upload a file from your local machine in SAS OnDemand software. So let's move on to the next slide. This is about my certification and my experience. Let's move on to the next slide. So guys, if you want to learn SAS, you can contact me or you can WhatsApp me. Let's move on to the next slide. So guys, if you are preparing for SAS interview, you can take SAS interview session, or you can buy technical questions PDF, or if you need any help on SAS software, you can WhatsApp me or you can email me. Let's move on to the next slide. Okay guys, so let's start the operation how to upload a file on SAS OnDemand software. So for this, we'll need to open the browser and access the SAS OnDemand software. Okay. Just type SAS on demand login. This now click on this link and this page will open. Here you can see SAS on demand for academics. Here also. Now click on access now. Okay. Now page has opened. Click on this sign in. So now use your SAS profile. If you haven't created the SAS profile, you can watch my video how to create SAS profile, and link is showing on your screen. Okay, now I will fill my profile details. So official sasworld at gmail.com, then my password, and click on accept the terms of the license and click sign in. Now click on launch. SAS on demand has been opened. So this is SAS Studio, and this SAS software opens in browser only. Now you can see this is the software where you do the coding, logs, results. Okay, this side you need to come to left side and read server files and folders. If this is not open, maybe like this, when you open, if it shows like this, you need to go to server files and folders. Then this, okay, if it is closed, then you do a drill down, click on this button, and then go here, files, home. Right click on this one and click on new and create folder. And you can give a folder name same as your name or whatever name you want to give. So I give my name here, Rajesh. Click on save. Now you can see Rajesh folder has been created. Now I will upload a file and save in this location, in this folder. Okay, I'll show you the file that I'm going to upload. So here is the folder, and this is the Excel file, medical drug amount. So I open this. So this is person ID. The variables are person ID, allowed amount, paid amount, type, drug or medical. So this file contains 25 observations. The first observation is for column name. So total are 25. You can see these are 25, 2 to 26. Okay, so we are going to upload this file. How we will upload? Let's see. I'm closing this file. Just go into the software, right click on the folder that we have just created. Go into here, click on upload files. Here, this is your folder location. You can see it is showing /. So this / is because this SAS on demand or this server location is a Unix or Linux server. It's a Linux server. That's why it is showing /. If you go and see in Windows, you can see path where these slashes are backward slashes. Windows uses backward slashes for path, look for address. And when your server is on Linux, then will show /. So don't worry, just for information purpose, I am telling you. But all you need to do is just click on choose file and then select the file. Okay, so my file is in this location. So I will select my file and click open. So this file has opened now. This is XLSX file, means Excel file. Size is 9.7 kilobyte. I will click upload. So this file has been uploaded to this folder that we have just created. Now this file is on server. If you want to bring this file into SAS, then we use proc import to import any Excel file. Okay, so you can use that proc import, then give the location of the file, and then you can read. Or there is another way, just right click on the file and click import data, and SAS would automatically write the code for you. So here they have created one macro. That macro is taking parameter as work.import. Now this is using file name, creating a reference of this file, and here is the location of the file. And then they are using proc import and then reference of the file. Okay, if you want to do manual coding, then you can copy this address, and then instead of this ref file, you can put this entire address. Now rest is proc import, you know about it. DBMS is XLSX. Output dataset that we are going to create is in work library. The name of the dataset would be import. And get names means we are getting the names or variable names from the Excel file. And then it is showing the contents, proc content, to show the descriptor portion of this data set that we are going to create. So you can see work.import and run. So if you run this code, just click here and it will import the file for you. So now you can see the data set, that Excel file. This is the data. I'll just do this so I can see more space, and you can see this is the data, all 25 rows, and the variable person ID, allowed amount, paid amount, okay, and type, drug, medical drug. So we are able to upload our Excel file into SAS OnDemand software and we can access. So now you can see where this data set has been created. It's created in work library. So go in libraries, click here and work library. And now you can see this is the data set that has been created. Okay, another thing was proc contents was run. So you just click on results and you can see the proc content is this. Observations are 25, variables are 4. You can see the descriptor portion of work.import dataset. And you can see these are variable information, all in format that SAS has automatically guessed and then applied. So this is how we load a file on SAS server in SAS OnDemand for academic software. I hope I am able to explain this, how to upload this. That's it in this session, guys. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe my channel, or if you have any questions or suggestions, please do comment, and we will meet in the next session. Till that time, bye and take care.